Jimmy Neutron. I did what I had to. They're in a better place now. I built us a home and kept us safe. And you repaid me by bringing in an outsider, plotting to destroy the only heaven you or I will ever get. I hope that time and Jimmy's mom will help you see reason. I see now, this was my fault. You act like a child because a child is what they made you. Don't be afraid. I can fix you, Jimmy. I can make you better. And you, the outsider, the butcher they call you. Shall we see what you look like? Wrong side out. Don't touch Jimmy's mom.